Hammers are a tool in pretty much everybody's toolbox. They're simple, they're heavy, and they feel like the kind of product that should still be made here. But the reality is that a lot of them are made overseas nowadays, but there's still some good American manufacturers. So today, we're diving into hammers made in the USA. We'll look at which hammer brands are still manufacturing domestically, which ones have moved their production overseas, and how raw material sourcing plays out in finding something that's actually American made. Now, as always, this video is really just the highlights. If you want all of our research, that is in a full write-up on allamerican.org where I break down every single hammer brand that we could find that's made in the USA, as well as some tips for material sourcing and doing some research of your own. So I'll put a link to that in the description below for y'all to check out. Now, before we just start naming brands, we need to talk about raw materials, because a hammer isn't just a handle and a head. It's steel, wood, fiberglass, composites, and all of those raw materials really matter in finding something that's truly American made. Brands will often use terms like assembled in the USA or made in the USA with global materials, which is pretty much a dead giveaway that they are doing their final assembly here, but not sourcing their raw materials from US suppliers. You want to look for brands that are using clear made in the USA language and ideally disclosing where their raw materials come from, sourcing US steel and other components. If you're curious to learn more about material sourcing, I go into a huge deep dive in our written research on allamerican.org. So again, link to that in the description below. And with those research notes out of the way, let's get into these great American-made hammer brands. First up is Estwing. Estwing's based in Rockford, Illinois, and these are the hammers that I have in my toolbox. I have their basic claw hammer as well as their rubber mallet, and they've lasted me for a ton of years. Now, they have a ton of different options besides just these two, a lot of different specialty hammers as well as a lot of other hand tools. Now, I also have the Sportsman axe from Estwing, which is a full tang hatchet that I take camping with me, which I think is somewhere around here. Give me 1 second. Found it. Not a hammer, but this is a tool that I use frequently in the outdoors, and I absolutely love it. Next is Hardcore Hammers. Hardcore Hammers is based in Hillsboro, Illinois, and what's unique about these folks is they have a hardened steel core inside their hammerheads, which really helps with durability and performance. Obviously, hammers are their specialty, and everything is 100% American made with US sourced materials. They have standard framing hammers as well as mini sledgehammers and ball peen hammers. Definitely worth a look. Next up is ABC Hammers. These folks are based in Florida and make a lot of great hammers for non-marring and non-sparking applications. They have brass, bronze, and dead blow hammers that are all made in the USA. Just avoid their steel hammers. Unfortunately, those are made in South Africa. But still some amazing options from these folks, so check them out. Next up is Amco Safety Tools. Amco Safety Tools has been making a lot of great hammers and other tools in the US for over 100 years, and I think they were actually the first company to introduce aluminum bronze safety tools as well. They have a really wide selection of hammers made in the USA, including their Strike Force sledgehammer, which I really like. It comes in sizes all the way from a 2-pound mini sledgehammer all the way up to a 22-pound sledgehammer and a really nice shock-absorbing grip. So if you're in need of a new sledgehammer, definitely check out Amco. And one last American-made brand that I want to cover today really is two brands, but they're under the same parent company. Vaughan and Deluge hammers are both owned by a company called Marshalltown, which has been around since 1890. They acquired both Vaughan and Deluge in recent years, but are still making a lot of those hammers in the US, some with imported components, but they're still assembling here, and they're pretty solid framing hammers in my opinion. Now, in our research, we obviously also came across a bunch of popular brands that are not made in the USA anymore. So I would just avoid brands like Stanley, Irwin, Milwaukee, Husky, and Anvil. Pretty much all of those companies have outsourced all of their manufacturing to China and other countries. I have more details on those brands and others in our research on allamerican.org. So again, link in the description below. All right, y'all, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see y'all next time.